Hola, my name is Arawana Hayashi. I live north of New York City, and together with Vivian Valdames, we are offering a workshop called Social Presencing Theater. So this is a social technology that's being developed by the Presencing Institute, a way of bringing awareness, embodiment, and a sense of feeling ourselves as a social body, of bringing this very present in our work. Because we recognize that just talking about and thinking about all of the issues and what it is we want to create in this world, it just isn't enough. We need to have our actual embodied presence. So the practices are a way of tuning in to what it is that we actually experience through our sense perceptions, through our body, and letting that express as a gesture, both personally and as a team. 3 or 4 people expressing kind of where they are and where their body, where their team body might want to travel to have a more open and kindly and intelligent expression. So the workshop is a series of practices. We invite you to bring your body into a little bit of space where you can move around and to join us in the practices. I'll be teaching some and Vivi will be teaching some, and that we hope to be able to not only bring some benefit to you personally in your own creative process, what is a truly innovative expression, but that also it might give you a few skills that you can use along the way when you're working in groups and in teams. So we really invite you to join us and look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.